Hi lovely friends, last week I posted a video which we filmed in Greece and you really loved the outfits because I always love to take you with me on my travels, and actually if you haven't seen it, watch it after this one as I think you'll really love it. Also, you will spot, never before done, my husband is coming in front of the camera too, so don't miss that one. So in this video, also filmed in Greece, I've collected together the most effortless outfits to give you some chic summer outfit inspiration. There's a mix of, casual, relaxed looks and slightly more dressy little numbers as well, that are all really easy to put together and yet really stylish. All of them are really easy to adapt to your own wardrobe as well, your own style, and many are pretty budget friendly too. And above all, these are looks that will make you feel good in yourself because, when you feel good, you look good too. So I hope you really enjoy the outfits and the Greek vibes. So this is the first look, which I think is so chic and yet so simple at the same time. It's another day, another Greek island and another outfit, ladies, and welcome back to my little series on Greek islands. So today's outfit, I think, ticks off a lot of summery style checks for me. Number one, light and summery. Check. It has these beautiful sky blue colors here, this beautiful sky blue pastel. It is the most gorgeous color, and that combined with white kind of looks like clouds in the sky. Number two, the whole look is really cohesive. Check. The white flecks that I have in the little top here are just perfect. They just bring in the ivory. It's an off-white really, the ivory of the shorts. Beautiful cotton shorts and a beautiful, lovely, slightly frayed fabric here. It's meant to be like that. It's absolutely gorgeous and really summery. Number three, it has sleeves to cover the tops of the arms. Check. So this gorgeous little top has cute little short sleeves here, absolutely perfect for hiding that area, ladies. Now recently I did create a video about summer style struggles, including good ways to disguise or hide or take the attention away from your upper arm, so do go and watch that after you've seen this one. Number four, effortlessly chic. Check. The texture of this top is slightly tweedy. It's very light, but it's slightly tweedy, and it contrasts with the cotton of the shorts. So the whole thing is easy, but really chic. Number five, great for mixing and matching. Check. Both of these items go with so many other things. The shorts in particular go with any kind of top you would like, either a vest top or a beautiful shirt. I can see it with a striped shirt, any of these kinds of things. And the top here would go with a beautiful long maxi white floaty skirt as well, or different sort of shorts, or any of these other kinds. And then all you need to do is add a couple of accessories to really zhuzh up this look. First of all, these beautiful little pearl earrings, these hoops, these are from Gingerberry, and hey, what about these fabulous white Swarovski sunglasses? This is from Goelia as well, and I have discount codes for all of these items, so go and have a look underneath the video. So you see how easy it is to create a really chic look, and you don't have to spend a fortune on it either. And as I said, I will link all the items below with discount codes too. So my second look that I want to share with you was more of an evening look really, but actually it's the sort of thing that you could dress it down for the daytime just with flip-flops and so on, or dress it up if you wanted to. My look too. Hi lovely ladies, and you know what? It's a lovely evening here, but to get to you down here I had to run the gauntlet of so many cruise ships saying, come from Mamma Mia trip, come from a Mamma Mia trip, Anyway, it's such fun. So what I thought I'd do is show you what I'm wearing tonight. Another night is another dress, and this one is just a simple black dress. This is just from Amazon actually, really economical, but you know what, it fits nicely down here, but it's not too tight. This is actually above my natural waist. It comes out like this, and yay, pockets, we have pockets, and a really simple basis of a black dress like this, and then you just add whatever jewelry you fancy. In my case it's a bag of gold things, and a bag like this This is from Zara, really cheaply picked up. You can just pick up anything, and it really adds a little bit of bling. Some little jewelry bits here. This is a gorgeous Monica Vinader necklace, and Aurelia as well, the starfish, because it just feels right to have a starfish, you know, somewhere around by the sea. And I'm just going to pick up from my prop man, hold it there. I'm going to pick up from my prop man my lovely scarf. Ta-da! Adds the golden touch to the golden hour. So this is what you pop on your shoulders, which brings in the gold as well from the blingy bits that I've just been talking about, and it just adds a little bit of something over your shoulders. So I'm off to dinner now. It's the end of the golden hour. Lots of love. By the way, if you're enjoying this summer style video, please do like and subscribe to the channel. Back to that outfit. What I really loved about it, not only the black dress, of course, was the scarf too. It's from OVCIO, who I've featured before quite a bit actually, because I just love them. Made from featherlight cashmere, very well looked after goats. And they create these scarves in loads of colours, and I think they're just perfect for covering the shoulders and adding a pop of colour too. So on to my next look that I want to share with you, which was a lovely casual everyday look in my look 3. This top is one that I wore a lot actually on the holiday. It is really jazzy, but again, very simple, because I think a good quality striped top is a great addition to any wardrobe. This one is from Massimo Dutti, and I just love the contrast edging as well. But I'm not sure that the light really picked it up too well here, because this was very golden in the sun. You can see it was a little bit light, but the base color is ivory, which is also the same as these beautiful shorts. And these are really special actually. I just wanted to show you these again. They're from Sinead Kiri, and they have this beautiful little scalloped edge, which I think really elevates them above just being, you know, a basic pair of shorts. They're perfect for every day, but with style, you know, or you could easily dress them up for a night out too. I could see them with something like a silk shirt. That would just look fabulous. And then I just added a pair of flat mule sandals, a belt and a tote bag in roughly the same colorways to create a cohesive look, just to add a little bit of depth with that black. And I think this is a great little runaround look. Now the next outfit is a bit bold, oh my, but you know, I thought, hey, why not? I think it proves that we can just wear what we want and what makes us look happy in my look 4. Hi ladies, and welcome back to another evening on the Greek islands. You know something, when I looked at this dress online, I thought, am I too old for this? Or am I, you know, or is it too young for me? And you know, that's what we tend to think about, isn't it, when we're looking at things, particularly at our age. You know, is it the right age? But you know what, my feelings on this is, if you feel good in something, you're gonna look good, because you feel good, you've got the confidence, you know, you're gonna swagger about, you're gonna feel really comfortable, and you're gonna love it. And that's why I'm in this dress. So forgive me, it's a little short, but hey, whatever. I love the red, it's linen, it's cool, it's breathable, it's got pockets, yay. And I've just popped on, this is a Free People necklace, really nice little made to measure, can't speak, Free People necklace, a load of bracelets, and I'm just gonna have a drink on the beach here. This is a beautiful resort in this gorgeous island, which is famous for the fact that they filmed Mamma Mia in it. So, hey, if you can't have fun on a Mamma Mia island, where can you have fun? And remember ladies, if you feel good in something, wear it. I'd love your comments, what you think. Lots of love. As I said, I would love your comments, because I could feel some really strong opinions coming here. But I really think, you know, if you feel right in something, you will look good. And of course, where you wear these things also matters, because I wouldn't wear this probably anywhere but near a beach or a pool. I think it'd be perfect for that. And probably also not unless I was on holiday either, because somehow, you know, I feel we can be more daring, can't we, with that? So the last look I just wanted to share with you is this lovely soft blue dress from Free People. So this dress was really, really comfy and so easy to wear. I actually wore it for several nights because it's perfect for hot weather. It was cotton, it was cool, floaty, and just lovely. And of course, it would look great with a floaty scarf or a linen shirt over the top, or a little shrug over your shoulders. And I just wore flat sandals with it and a necklace, so it was really easy to pop on for a meal out. It's from Free People, as I said, and they have tons of fabulous colours as well. So I just wanted to say, this is a little bit of a different venue. Actually, we're in our own garden back in the UK, which is why it's kind of windy and a little bit sort of wild. We don't actually have a very groomed garden, we have a woodland. I might show you that one day. But what I really do hope is that you've enjoyed this video, ladies. And if you have, please do give it a thumbs up and please subscribe as well. Love to have you in our wonderful, wonderful community. So I'll see you really, really soon. Have a fabulous day, a fabulous week, fabulous half week until the next video. Lots of love. Bye.